I know the method works, but I'm not getting the signal coming out of the computer going to the injector.
So wait.
I did replace the injectors.
Okay.
But I swapped them all around and still the same issue.
Okay.
I know it's a lot to take in, but
so let me make sure I understand this correctly. Is it just number 6 that's not getting a signal, or all the injectors?
That's the only code that I'm getting is number 6. Yes.
Okay. Does the engine start and run? I'm sorry.
Oh, it starts and runs fine. Well, I shouldn't say run fine. It's rough.
Okay, so it's misfiring on cylinder number 6, is what you're saying.
Yes.
Okay, all right.
Well,
I gotcha.
I don't think I'm getting this signal to my injector over there.
And you said, well, all right. So you said you don't think so, but didn't you just say a moment ago that you checked for a signal with a test light? Is that what I heard?